Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2017 Buick Regal GS. To make this a nice quick video because it's raining, drove this car home, brought my mom in for some service on her Infiniti, and we should be leaving any second. So I wanted to film this before I forgot to. Got Sport, GS. GS changes things with your magnetic dampers and all that. All-wheel drive, 2-liter turbo 4. This thing actually, when I did a cold start this morning, it's actually had a decent tone to it. Wasn't as quiet as I expected, and this is stock exhaust. Honestly, for a Buick, guys, this thing ain't half bad. Oh, those brakes are good. Like I said, it's going to be a shorter drive just because I have places to be and things to do. Oh, okay, I see how you work now. But I've spent time in the car. It's a fun to drive car. And the ride is nice. These seats hug you very well. Cornering is great. For a Buick, this is a Buick Regal. This one's only got 38,000 miles on it, too. Can't go wrong. What a nice car. These are kind of slept on too. If you think about performance sedans, people don't think about, like, if you're looking at a hot hatch, a GTI or anything like that, this is what this kind of was designed to do. It's like a Civic Si competitor in a way, but a little bit more luxury. I love this steering wheel. This steering wheel is phenomenal. Put this thing for sale on the lot. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.